ASU is looking to excel at sports programs with the help of a new real estate project. But will this really enhance Sun Devil athletics?
ASU football has all-star athletes, coaches, even uniforms. But without a modern stadium, supporters say the Sun Devils lose their competitive edge when it comes to recruiting players and fans.
We need a funding source to maintain fantastic world-class athletic facilities for Sun Devil athletics.
Now, ASU's redevelopment district, designed to raise money for new athletic venues, has teamed up with Catalyst to get the ambitious real estate project underway. The mixed-use plan will develop 330 acres along Tempe Town Lake and will include retail, commercial, and residential property. Tempe Mayor Mark Mitchell is excited for the economic opportunities it will give the city.
Not only will the district contribute to our tax base, but it's going to create thousands of jobs.
For many, though, this sparks questions about the venues that currently exist within the district's boundaries, like the Wells Fargo Arena, Sun Devil Stadium, and more.
Karsten Golf Course is part of ASU's district plan, and many are wondering its fate. President Crow says it will be here until it's not.
Meaning it won't be disrupted until there's a reason to disrupt it.
President Crow believes that this revenue stream will help Sun Devil football and ASU athletics score on the national stage.
Sun Devil Stadium will not be moving locations, but will be getting a $256 million renovation, which includes adding luxury boxes and classrooms to make it usable every day of the year.